What's up, everybody? We are back with another Gooder Than a Mug recipe for you. How about some sausage and shrimp stew? We about to hook it up, so let's get busy. All right, first things first, we're gonna add this sausage into the pot. We're gonna just sear them a little bit, give them a nice color, because with the color comes the flavor. So go ahead and toss them around in that hot pot for a good 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're gonna take them babies out and set them to the side. All right, now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. Drop that in the pot, let it melt down. Then we're gonna follow that up with half an onion chopped, half a bell pepper chopped, and 3 celery stalks chopped, and about 3 diced garlic cloves. Stir that up and let them veggies sweat. And I got a little bit of Chef Sonny's Razzle Dazzle seafood seasoning. Go ahead and sprinkle that over the top and mix that in really well. Now we need something to make this stew thick, so I got a tablespoon of flour that I'm gonna sprinkle right over those veggies, mix it in, and then follow it up with some homemade shrimp stock. That's about 1.5 cups. All right, so we got 1 peeled and chopped potato that we're gonna add to the pot. Then we're gonna follow it up with the sausage that we cooked first and set to the side. We're gonna bring that sausage back and add that in. Stir it up, and then we're gonna follow that up with about 1 cup of water. Next, we're going in with 1 small can of drained diced tomatoes. We are just stacking flavors on top of flavors on top of flavors and mixing them all in together. Then we're gonna follow it up with a tablespoon of green chilies. Add that to your mix and stir it up. And hey, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I use heavy whipping cream in my stew because it makes it sexy. Alright, so after you've incorporated all of those ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and put a lid on that pot, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for a good 15 minutes. And when you come back to it, you have this piece of heaven right here. Check your potatoes, make sure they're cooked all the way through and definitely fork tender. You can reduce that heat a little bit more and add you some Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that word. Don't laugh at me. All right, finally we're gonna add the shrimp to this pot. You can go ahead and reduce the heat. Stir the shrimp in, and then we'll cover it and let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes until the shrimp's cooked all the way through. And if you like this video, make sure you go to the Facebook page and like it, because all these videos will be there, and all these videos will be on the YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Gooder Than a Mug Show. Alright, and after your shrimp is cooked all the way through, make sure you check that stew for seasoning. You're not gonna say Chef Sonny taught you how to serve up some bland ass food.